Out there though?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it was a 450. That's fine.
Yeah, it's good salmon. It ain't.
Remember that red 450 that usually runs?
Yeah. He wants to get a buy run. I think it didn't feel very strong when I rode it.
What, that 700?
Mm-hmm.
Looked like it went through the pit pretty good.
He's got some springs and a lot of stall.
Ooh, he about to get his in there. How come there ain't no popos out here today, bro?
That's here right out there. Other 27
It's a king core.
Yeah, we take the running boards off of them for tonight. They won't stand up like that. I was just being lazy, not taking them off.
Golly, man, start the race.
They got to hang 150 pounds off of that. I bet it's still coming. Still.
That's crazy.